Hi friends, welcome to my channel Lata's Designer Studio. I have seen so many members have seen my channel, and thank you for all of them and subscribing my channel thank you for all your support for subscribing my channel and watching my videos. And also I have to show some designs for you that I have done of these days. For these days, some I have did my channel designs. I have to show to you, and see this my design. That this blouse is boat neck blouse with saree. Which I have done today. This is a new piece, a new pattern. Today I have finished this blouse. I have to show this design for all of you. See this. This is a embroidery work with the same colors in this saree. This is the see this model. See this bird. See like this same bird I have done in this blouse. In this my hand. See this is the hand. I have seen the same design. This bird design. Same this in the hand. And the colors and this is a boat neck design with thread work only. Machine work we have done this thread work. This price is 2,500. This price it will be this price it will be 2,500 work and 500 for stitching blouse. Stitching charge 500 for stitching charge. So 3,000 totally 3,000 it is. This cost will be, and this in back neck it is open with back hole oval design and back open. See this, the boat neck with the hole with back open, and this is a padded blouse and also with prince cut model. This is the padded blouse. See this, I have done with padded blouse, with prince cut model with boat neck. This is a new pattern, nice modern blouse I have done. And also I have to show little more designs. See this, this is the pattu saree we have done, and also this is the design. Simple design with thread piping model in pattu saree. Front round neck with piping. See this. This is a thread piping model with pattu saree. And another one. This model is a thread piping model. See this. This is also a thread piping model. Not thread piping. Sorry. This is a embroidery work model with thread machine work model. This is a peacock model. What is in the saree, it will be in the blouse. It will be like a printed blouse already in the blouse. Front it will be front design we did, and back neck with peacock design. And this machine work thread piping machine work model. This is thread work. Machine work. This is the mango is there. See, this is the saree. The saree is in the mango design. That same mango design we did in the blouse. See, and also silver color and gold color piping. Thread work is in the silver. See, this saree is there in the silver thread, silver color and gold color. Same the silver and gold. It's in the blouse itself. We can do like this. Same as in the mango design. We did in the here. So this is a silver and gold color thread we did in. This is the front and also this is back, and also we did in the mango design in the hand itself. Like this. Another one. I'll see one other thing. This is the matte finishing model. Matte model like this. See this the design. See this design. This is both like flower neck model. Also it is a flower wash model, they will tell. See this design is different from this. Design is different from this. This is a matte model with stripes design, and this is another design with gold beads. And also another thing I have to show another design. See this design is, see this design, this is a new model pattern work. See this is a 3/4 hand with silver beads. I have done this design. Inside it is a pink color, inside we did pink color, and also with silver beads it will come like this 3/4 hand. See this square neck with pink and yellow color with silver beads. See in this is the front neck with normal round neck. Normal round neck with front neck. And also this is also simply round neck with thread piping model. See it will come like this. This is a pattu saree blouse, front and back simply with round neck. And another thing I have to show a curve neck model to you today. See this is the curve neck. It will come like this. It will come like this, curve neck. In hand, this is a pattu saree blouse. See this is a curve neck. And front round neck. Front it is round neck only. And like this, another thing, this is also a curve neck with velvet blouse. See this curve neck model. See this is a velvet blouse, velvet cloth we did. In the hand also this is the curve neck. In hand also it will be a curve neck in neck and hand. Curve neck, see this? A cute curve neck is this. And in the hand also. Front round neck. Front round neck. And round neck simple blouse with border. This one is round neck. And also like this is a round neck with simple border. Pattu blouse this is. Now I made. Now we did. This one is a pattu blouse with round neck only. Now we did. So like that I am having so much. See this is a normal round neck. And also see this is a nice blouse with blue color. With blue color. The round neck model with blue color. Simply round neck model, simple blouse. Neck model I am having so much. I have shown you so much models today. Hi friends, I have shown you today so many designs for you. You have seen all my designs. I am very happy for that. I will show my designs often for you, and I am very happy to see all of you from by this side, by this channel. So thank you for all your supports from you. And also I want to subscribe. So subscribe my channel, like my channel, and share my channel. Thank you for all you. Thank you for all.